Hey everyone, it's Dawn here, and I want to introduce you. This is our first looking at Glendon. This is his design of this awesome roll-in stand that he has designed, printed up, and we're doing some tests on it, and I'm so excited about it. I was like, hey, let's make a video now. I mean, it's good. Maybe a little tweaks here and there, but it's amazing. Basically, you have this little plate that you can roll right into, so no lifting of your wheel. This one fits my EX30, which I have here. We are actually at the beginning of our ride. And then that one over there is fitting Tim's Master. So we still have to do some tests and stuff like that. This is just test print, but Glendon, tell us more.
Okay, so I have two materials. The first one is just a PLA one. This is probably more for testing than anything else. The final version is a PETG version. They will be black. The way that this works is here. So let's go over to Dawn's one right here. So the way that this works is you have this riser plate right here. There's a little bit scratched up, but that's okay. This plate actually comes right off. You can exchange them with different ones. So this is the one for the EX30 or the Master. It just kind of clips in to the top here, and this is what gives you your height adjustment. There you go. So that would be the height for a Master or EX30. And then if you had a different wheel, this one's not tested yet. I don't have a Sherman S, but the idea is the same. You have a higher resting plate, so I mean you can kind of compare those two. And that would allow you to adapt the stand to a different wheel. So all you have to do is reprint these top pieces for a different wheel, and that is how it works. I have some decorative inserts for the center hole here. I mean, this is really just for aesthetics.
Night Riders.
That's how it would go.
Lem, we gotta have this be the official Night Rider stand. These are awesome.
And then we have, what's your name again? I'm so bad with names. But this one, again, this one's for the Master. We'll go ahead and show how Dawn's works here with the EX30. So you just want to center this plate here, and all you have to do is roll it on in, nice and easy, and then you can just power off the wheel and it'll sit right on the stand.
So a lot of times you power off and then it will tilt forward or backwards. This one is not tilting. We were over here shoving it a lot, and we're not on even ground and stuff like that, and it's very stable. In fact, I think that I do feel like this one is more stable than the Grizzly stand, so I'm really happy with that. The other thing that I noticed is that like this one is not quite sitting all the way. We already adjusted it once, and I'm going to adjust it again, see how this one is sitting really nicely. But all that is required for that, and Glendon showed me that earlier, is to just push this into its friction fit onto the PVC. So you just push this whole thing in a little bit more, and then we can find the right adjustment, you know, so that this side right over here, come on, focus please, there we go, so that this here is sitting all the way in a little bit more. That'll give it even more stability. So we're talking about that. Something, I don't know, just a thought. I don't know if the, what do you call that? The roll-on plate?
That little kicker plate?
Yeah, the little kicker riser plate. I don't know, we made it wider. That'll be good. Because right now it can, what was I doing with it? Yeah, I can move a little bit with the wheel. So I don't know if that'll give it any more stability, because I'm still looking for a stand that, I've talked about this before, that I want to be able to roll on so that I don't have to pick it up. That is one of my big things. And then the other thing is I want to be able to work on the wheel while standing up. Now, I do feel like this is probably the best stand for that right now, but I'm still looking for ways to make it even more stable. I mean, this is pretty stable right now, but there's still a little bit of tilty. So we were talking about how we could possibly yeah, we have some ideas. Okay. But this is really nice. really thick material. It feels really sturdy, and you could take it apart so that it's flat. You can pack it away when you travel, take it with you, sort of thing.
How we put it together.
Okay.
Really easy.
Also, wait, I want to show them this thing too, how you made this flat instead of rounded so that it sits nicer on the ground because it's got and it doesn't roll away. I like that. That was a really good idea.
So the way that this goes together, I mean, the entire idea is you don't want any extra hardware. So, I mean, that helps keep the cost down. These will be very cheap compared to everything that's on the market. Again, it's just a friction fit. You put the pipes into the holes.
That makes it adjustable as well,
Yeah.
so that's good.
This is where you get all of your adjustments. So,
because that's the other thing with
go.
different wheels, you know, kind of need different stands, but this with the riser plate that you can print for the individual different types of wheels, and then this adjustability, then you've got everything pretty much covered. So that's awesome. All right, is there anything else we need to cover? You roll on. It's strong. I'm going to be testing it some more. We're going to look for more improvements. Oh my gosh. The most important part, you guys. I love this color. How can I show this color? What'd you call it?
In the sun. It's called burnt titanium.
Burnt titanium. Let's go to the sun. Oh my goodness. This is like my most favoriteest color in the whole wide world. I'm already in love. But yeah, these are awesome. I'm excited if we can get these out to people.
Well, let me know what you think, and if anybody else has suggestions, you can shoot them my way too.
Yes, yes, yes. So thank you so much. And thanks for joining me, you guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.